Audi TT Mark 1, adding Bluetooth capability.
Hi all, Andy here and welcome back to the channel, where today I'm covering adding hands-free Bluetooth technology to any car radio for about £5. If you too own an Audi TT Mark 1, please do check out some of the other content on my channel which covers various repair and maintenance tasks. My head unit is a tape deck. It also has a multi-changer under the seat so I can play CDs, but again CDs are a little bit old hat now, so there is a way that you can connect the radio to Bluetooth. So if you have one of these, so this is a Bluetooth transmitter that plugs into your cigarette lighter. So you place it into the cigarette lighter like so. You can see it's flashing for a Bluetooth connection, which is now made to my phone, as this one is already set up. And by clicking the button and holding it down, it shows you the radio frequency it's broadcasting at. So you can change this by rotating the dial to the frequency you want. You need to find a frequency that is not currently being broadcast on your FM radio. So I know 88.1 is a free frequency for me. So if I turn the radio on, if I turn that down to 88.1, there's currently nothing playing on 88.1. On my phone, I've got the BT20 connected. And as a demo, I can play one of my YouTubes.
Stops that. Underneath the front of the wheel arch are two further Torx T.
So you can clearly hear there, my YouTube video is playing through my phone via Bluetooth, through the Bluetooth transmitter to my radio. Simple as that. So you can play your phone through the radio, which essentially transmits to this device, and this transmits it on a radio frequency you can tune your radio into and hear your phone. It's probably worth noting that they also have this handy dual USB charging function on them, as well as a button to answer hands-free calls while driving. It's a cheap way of introducing Bluetooth technology to very old systems. So I hope you found that tutorial useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out for future content, as I'm adding all the time for the Audi, and thanks again for watching. See you soon. Take care.